This is the QoolTek dual bay SATA hard drive docking station. Inside the box, you get a power brick with a barrel connector on one end and a power lead for it that fits in there and goes into your mains power supply. You get a USB 3 to USB 3 cable to connect it to your computer. You get an easy to understand user manual on the inside, and you get cloning software, and of course you get the bay itself. Now in the front you can see that it does take multiple different cards. It does support mini SD, micro SD, SD, MS, MMC cards right there on the bottom. And then these are throughput ports, meaning once this is plugged in to your USB port, you can use these to extend your USB capabilities. Those are the ports themselves with the SATA connectors right there. This right here is a one-touch button for easy backup or cloning. Right on the back is your power switch. And that's where the power goes in. And that's where you connect this cable to your computer. Nothing on that side. Nothing really on the bottom except for a little bit more information. You do get 4 rubber feet to help keep it steady. Now, it does support 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch SATA drives. And all you have to do is simply line it up, push it in, and you're ready to go. This slot here is slot A. That's the mother hard drive. And this is the slave hard drive, or sometimes it's called the son hard drive. That's slot B. What that means is if you want to clone one hard drive to the other, you put the master hard drive in here, the slave hard drive in here, and that's how that works. Okay, now you do not have to hook this up to your computer in order to clone your hard drives. You can just put them both in there, press the button on the back, and away you go, and that's it. Now, it does support the drives, the SATA drives, like I said, with a maximum capacity of 4 terabytes per. And I did already cover how you can clone from this drive to that drive. You got to make sure you have it in that configuration. It is a one-touch backup system. It does support plug and play. It is a USB 3 device, but it's also compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1. You do have an LED indicator power activity light. What that means is once it's turned on, it shows you that it has power. If it's flashing, that means there's activity going on with it. Now, it does support Windows XP, Vista, 7, and yes, I use Windows 10, and this works on Windows 10 very easily. It does support Mac operating system, but will only work with a USB 2.0 only. And as I said before, it does support the mini SD, micro SD, SD, MS, and MMC cards. This thing works really well. Depending upon the hard drive that you get, of course, it's really quiet. Can't really complain there. And I love, you don't even have to install the cloning software if you don't want to. If you just maybe want to use the, like a hard drive as a mass storage device, you can do that too. Or if you want to clone a couple hard drives, you can do that too. But like I said, you don't need to have it hooked up to your computer to do any form of cloning. It's a standalone. It's just as long as you have the power brick plugged in, you're ready to go.